Morning YouTube, this is Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning, omgfloorcare.com in Decula, Georgia today. We've got a move out situation here. It is 9:30. We've got 2 bedrooms and a hallway that haven't really been used much according to the customer. A couple grease spots here. That was a spot clean there to see how it would come out. As he said, it was grease. And the only other tracking is right here by the kitchen. There's 5 or 6 spots there. Everything else is in good shape. Like I said, it's 9:30. We're going to knock this job out real quick. As always with OMG Carpet Cleaning, there are no per spot fees, there are no upsells or things of that nature. Like I said, a lot of carpet cleaners are going to charge extra for spots like that, or some spots over here by the foyer. So stay tuned, we'll shoot the video. This is a $245 job that we're going to get knocked out here this morning in Decula, Georgia. All right guys, it's 10 o'clock. As you can see, spots are all gone from the dining room as well as the walk-in area. So everything's good to go. Like I said, it's a move-out situation. This customer's wanting to try to get his deposit back from the rental agency, which is always a questionable thing based on many factors, as many of you may know. But he was very happy with the carpet, so we did what we could. Our work here is done. Our citrus product that we use, not soapy, not foamy, does not leave a sticky, soapy residue behind, like you'll find with most carpet cleaners, home shampooers, etc., etc. No per spot fees, no upsells or things of that nature. We do carpets, tile, hardwood floors, linoleum. omgfloorcare.com, 404-500-9853. We do put people in the carpet cleaning floor care business. Again, reach out to us, 404-500-9853. Or on the web at omgfloorcare.com.